Hey, so that was quite an intro, eh? So how is any of this related to 3D printing? Well, using a 3D printer, you can create products that allow you to organize your home, your office, your workshop, anywhere. This is why, for today's video, I made a battery storage container. I gotta say big thank you to today's sponsor, PCBWay. PCBWay is currently celebrating their 10 years as a company. They offer services such as custom printed circuit boards, but my personal favorite is they have the availability to 3D print your models using material that may not be so easily available to you, such as aluminum or polycarbonate. With their 10-year anniversary as a company, there's lots of coupons that you can use to redeem during your purchase. Also, if you use my code found in the description or on the screen now, you can get another $5 off. You can find all of this info down below. And that is why for today's video, I decided to make a battery storage container. Maybe now it kind of gives you an idea what the story behind the intro is. The container itself, I have it here, and you can, well, you really don't have to store the batteries, but the whole idea is for storing batteries, right? So let's say this one here is designed to fit AAA batteries, okay? And also I have a 9-volt battery holder right here, so they would just sit inside. You slide the container inside the box, boom, that's it. Yeah, so why would I choose to make something like this? It looks like it uses a lot of plastic to make, right? Well, you're right, it does use a lot of plastic. You know, I could have went to Thingiverse, I could have went to Printables, Maker World, Cults 3D, any STL provider, and, you know, found a model, downloaded, and made something for myself, right? But here's the thing. I think with 3D printing, what's amazing about 3D printing is that you can create anything that will meet your needs or suit your style. You can, using 3D printing, you can create anything that is more relevant to you, okay? Yeah, I mean, this is a little bit of an overkill, but I think it's awesome, okay? Like, I genuinely like what I made here, right? It has the letters to showcase what batteries are inside the box. Now, if anyone actually wants to download this particular model, I'm gonna leave the link to the STL files in the description. I'm gonna upload it to Thingiverse, Cults 3D, Maker World, pretty much anywhere you can imagine, okay? All of those links will be down in the description. So yeah, I mean, there is going to be a few variations to this model. It's not going to be the exact same one, simply because, look at this. There's poor decision making on my part. This thing is thinner than this part of the storage container, so it's kind of uneven. Some people, I'm sure, will find it annoying. So yeah, again, this was my first prototype. I'm really happy with it. You know, it looks cool. Like, look at it, a lightning bolt. Jeez. To think that, you know, to think that I'd be sitting down on the computer designing things and printing them, and they physically manifest on the printer bed. I love 3D printing. It's incredible. The things you can come up with. Oh my goodness, man! I really love this hobby. Anyway, so yeah, files will be in the description, and I'm going to play some bloopers now.
Okay. That's natural.
That's it.
I do.
I'm dying.